look, it's brand new. But the rides are quite expensive at the end there on the right. Bit of fun though.
Brighton! Woo!
Gonna have a beach day.
Beach
Gonna
day.
go get some fish and chips.
Fish and chips. Most popular.
I'm tan.
Oh, this is so cute. This is gonna be awesome. Right, Harley?
It's gonna be lit.
You're already going down. All right. Get it? Oh. Get it, Kaylee. Get those tickets. Yeah.